Thank you for joining in today, and today's video is going to be some just like a loose floral design here that I created, nice and easy, and this is going to be in real time, so you can feel free to follow along if you would like. I'm just going to get started here with some like basic roses, and then just a few different other flowers. Some of them are made up, and they are very, like I said, beginner friendly. And I am starting with a bright pink here and then just dropping in bits of red as well. And the brush that I'm using is a size 8. If anybody was interested, I would recommend a 6 or an 8 is a pretty good size. You can do a wide variety of things with those. The particular brush I am using is the Princeton brand from the Neptune series. And then I'm going to switch over to a bright yellow. And again, I'm just making some basic petal shapes here, just using the brush itself and pushing up and then a little bit curving it under there. And I want to bring balance to both sides, so I'm going to add another one over here. And I did switch up the angle while filming this. I tried to get it closer. Normally I have the top view, but like I said, I wanted to get it closer so you could see the actual brush strokes if you were following along. So I hope this angle looks good. You can let me know in the comments down below, it's alright, if you like this view or the top view better. And I'm going to switch over to some blues. I kept most of these colors bright and cheerful. And the particular palette that I'm using is from the brand Art Philosophy. This one is their Tropicals. I have a few colors from the classics as well, the bright pink that I used in the beginning, and the blue. The blue that's a little bit brighter was from their classics. But again, I'm just working my way up to the top here and just, creating some balance. A couple of blue leaves and petals here and there. Wherever an area looks a little bit empty, you can always feel free to, add a little extra. And right here I'm going in with a brighter green for some of the like wispy stems and smaller leaves up by the petals there. And then I'm going to drop in bits of like a deeper, I'm trying to think, almost like a deep hooker's green. The one in the palette here says palms on it because it's the tropical kit. But yeah, I would say it's close to like a hooker's green. And again, I'm just going to repeat and do a smaller rose over here on the side. I picked up a few new watercolor brushes recently. I have a review and a haul videos coming up, but this is one of them. This brush is like an oval shape, but then it has that little tip, so it is really nice for leaves. I guess some people call it like a cat's tongue. It definitely takes a little bit to get used to, so I'm just practicing here with my leaves. And then back up to the top, I switched over to my size 8 round brush, and we're just using a bright orange. And for the bottom part here, I'm just going to make some of the vines and just fill it in with leaves. Just so it looks nice and full, so you're going to see me going back and forth between the two different shades of green there. At the end of the video, I did include a photo of the top view, so if for whatever reason you couldn't see me doing any portion of this painting, you can always check the end and then you could see the top view. And right here, I'm just going to go in and add some bright red for some contrast. Just on the two orange flowers. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick floral tutorial. Be sure to leave a comment down below and subscribe.